So I'm a French pharmacist. So I'm from Paris and I did like 6 years of pharmacy studies.
Okay.
And I just recently went to Australia. For this exam, I genuinely only did Eliteexpertise. I only follow all the class. I was really watching all the videos, never missed one class, doing all the MCQs multiple times. And yeah, I think I was just like studying like more than 14 hours a day.
Hello everyone, welcome to Eliteexpertise. I'm Dr. Swadamni, one of the members of Eliteexpertise, and today we have with us Gabrielle. Hi Gabrielle, welcome to Eliteexpertise and congratulations on clearing your OPRA exam. How are you feeling?
Very, very good. Thank you very much.
Please tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? What did you study?
So I'm a French pharmacist. So I'm from Paris and I did like 6 years of pharmacy studies.
Okay.
And I just recently went to Australia.
And from which college did you study?
University Aix-Marseille. So it's in south of France. It's called in a city called Marseille.
Okay. And why did you choose Australia as your final destination?
My partner is in Australia as well. So he's studying in Australia. So I decided to join in. And that's why I'm doing the equivalence for becoming a pharmacist in Australia.
Okay. And how did you come across Eliteexpertise?
So I got like the acceptance to do the equivalence to do the OPRA like less than 2 months ago. So I really look really fast like which was the best program to clear the exam basically. And I saw that OPRA was a very good program on all the Google review. Everybody was talking good on LinkedIn about it and on YouTube as well. So I thought I'm going to take this program and that's what I'm going to do. So that's how I discovered Eliteexpertise.
Okay. And what made you do Pharmd? Like, why did you choose Pharmd? Why not B Pharma?
I always loved science and I really wanted to work in the healthcare. So I chose pharmacy because I was more into chemistry and what's behind all the drugs and all those things. So that's why I chose pharmacy.
What did you love about Eliteexpertise?
What I really like, it's really like a high school class, like really class, very framing. It's very interesting. You follow the class. It's very interactive. Like Mom and IF were very, very good at it. And they were giving like some real life case studies, which really helped to understand all the concepts. Even if like it's not new concept, it really helped like improving even my own background and understand exactly what is expecting in terms of what's a pharmacist in Australia, what they do and what you should do. So it was very good and the class were very amazing. That's what I can say.
Okay. So what is the advantage of doing Pharmd? Like if I had to put this question in front of you, I would say what is the advantage of becoming a clinical pharmacist?
I think the advantage like in terms of in Australia or just in terms of the studies?
In terms of your studies.
In terms of the studies, I think first it's very interesting studies. You learn a lot of stuff. You can work in every country, which is really a plus. In every country, you have always a way to be recognized. You have a way to find work, something interesting. You can work as in clinical, you can work in private sector. It's full of opportunities. So that's why it's very, very interesting. It's a very good sector because there is multiple things you can do. Like there's genuinely like no end to the possibility of these jobs and the studies. So that's what I would say.
Now let's talk about OPRA, 2025 July OPRA. So how did you prepare yourself? Like what made you do this exam?
So for this exam, I genuinely only did Eliteexpertise. I only follow all the class. I was really watching all the videos, never missed one class, doing all the MCQs multiple times. And yeah, I think I was just like studying like more than 14 hours a day, sitting at my desk, just doing videos, MCQs, the math as well. And just, I think there's no need for any other media, any books or anything. There is everything in the class preparation. So I only did that.
So you studied for 14 hours, right?
Yeah, like because I only had like 1 month and 1 week to clear the exam. So I had to study very hard because I really wanted to watch all the videos, because that's why my mentors say like you have to follow the class, and that's what's gonna happen. We are gonna have in the exam, and that was fully true. All the concepts we learned, everything like was important. So I watched all the class, all the videos, and each time I had like a little bit of time, I was doing MCQs or rewatching some videos. That was truly helpful. And yeah, it's a lot of studying. Like I think like for this exam, you really have to study hard, but the moment you pass it, it feels so good. So it's like hard work pay off. So it's so nice.
Okay. So do you have any tips for our future aspirants?
Genuinely, I think for this exam, if you do like since the beginning, like the 4 or 5 month program nearly, which is like a long and it's pretty good, just in the beginning, follow the class, listen exactly what the teachers say, because they know best. They have all the tips, they saw all the students and everything. Follow the class, take some notes, try to really understand, really listen multiple times if you have to, understand the concept, and then do MCQs. Do MCQ, train yourself. Even if at one point you know all the answers of the MCQs in the beginning, continue doing it. Continue doing it, because that's all you learn. That's how you remember well. Do the mathematics multiple time. Train yourself. At one point, you have to remember each word of what's gonna happen in the video, and that's how you clear the exam. Like genuinely.
Okay. Thank you so much, Gabrielle, and all the very best for your future. We hope that you complete your intern, written, and oral exam as well. Thank you so much for your time. All the very best. Tata. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.